Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss MCQs of General Principle of Environmental Chemistry. First of all, how much cooler does the air get for every 1 km increase in altitude in the troposphere? 2 degrees, 6.5 degrees, 8 degrees, 10 degrees. The answer is B, 6.5 degrees. Which of the following is produced when electrical discharge pass through oxygen in the air? Chlorofluorocarbons, methane, ozone, lead compounds. The answer is C, ozone. What is source of lead compounds? Aerosol spray forms exert fumes of motor vehicles, incomplete burning of wood, none of above. The answer is B, exert fumes of motor vehicles. The atmosphere is divided into how many layers? 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is C, 4. How much higher can be the temperature inside a greenhouse as compared to the outside? 25 degrees centigrade higher, 10 degrees centigrade to 15 degrees centigrade higher, 15 degrees centigrade higher, 25 degrees centigrade higher. The answer is B, 10 degrees centigrade to 15 degrees centigrade higher. Percentage of hydrogen in the air is 0.99, 0.8, 0.5, 0.25. The answer is D, 0.25. Which of the following is true about ozone? Light blue in color, odorless, not harmful, not a pollutant. The answer is A, light blue in color. What is meant by the term mesotope? Middle, turning, changing. The answer is B, middle. Which of the following is further divided into two layers? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. The answer is D, thermosphere. The occurrence of weather is in troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. The answer is A, troposphere. Group of chemically unreactive compounds that are chemically used as solvent are called chlorofluorocarbons. Functional group, alkyl groups, lead compound. The answer is A, chlorofluorocarbons. Which of the following is produced when dead plant materials decays in the absence of air? Chlorofluorocarbons, methane, carbon monoxide, lead compounds. The answer is B, methane. Which two main gases are produced when you burn a piece of wood? Oxygen and nitrogen. Carbon dioxide and oxygen. Carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Carbon dioxide and nitrogen. The answer is C, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. The lower layer of thermosphere is ionosphere, exosphere, mesosphere, stratosphere. The option is A, ionosphere. Which of the following is true about nitrogen dioxide? It is colorless, it is odorless, it is soluble in water, it is insoluble in oxygen. The answer is C, it is soluble in water. Height of troposphere is 10 km, 12 km, 50 km, 80 km. The answer is B, 12 km. Which of the following has the lowest percentage in the air? Krypton, argon, hydrogen, helium. The answer is C, hydrogen. Which of the following is responsible for the rise in temperature in the stratosphere? Position of stratosphere, height of stratosphere, ozone, sunlight. The answer is C, ozone. Which of the following is not true about sulfur dioxide? It is colorless, it is odorless, it is an air pollutant, it causes breathing difficulties. The answer is B, it is odorless. Which of the following is not true about nitrogen dioxide? It is reddish brown, it has pungent odor, it is insoluble in water, it is toxic. The answer is C, it is insoluble in water. An allotropic form of oxygen comprising 3 oxygen atoms is called ozone oxidizing agent, reducing agent. The answer is B, ozone. Which of the following is true about incineration? It consumes all combustible material. It is a clean process. It does not produce air pollutants. It does not generate odor. The answer is A. It consumes all combustible materials. Formation of most of the cloud is in troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. The answer is A. Troposphere. Height of stratosphere is 0 to 12 km, 12 to 50 km, 50 to 80 km, above 80 km. The answer is B. 12 to 50 km. What is meant by the term tropo? Top, first, high, turning. The answer is D. Turning. Ozone formation and destruction are powered by ozone gas, atomic oxygen, ultraviolet radiation, chlorine gas. The answer is C. Ultraviolet radiation. Majority of the UV rays are screened out by oxygen, nitrogen, ozone, carbon. The answer is C. Ozone. Most of the dust particles and water vapors are present in troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. The answer is E. Troposphere. Which of the following comes mainly due to combustion of fuel used in motor vehicles? Chlorofluorocarbons, methane, carbon monoxide, lead compounds. The answer is D. Lead compounds. Which of the following cause headache and dizziness and can even cause death if inhaled for a long time? Sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide. The answer is D. Carbon monoxide. Anything that destroys some part of environment is called dirt, virus, pollutant, bacteria. The answer is C. Pollutant. Which of the following is an excellent heat observer and cause global warming? Chlorofluorocarbons, methane, carbon monoxide, lead compounds. The answer is B. Carbon monoxide. The pH of normal rainwater is 4, 5, 5.6, 6.6. The answer is C. 5.6. Which of the following is the third layer of atmosphere as one moves upward from the earth? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. The answer is C. Mesosphere. Which of the following is the fourth layer of atmosphere as one moves upward from the earth's surface? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. The answer is D. Thermosphere. Approximately what percentage of water vapor is contained by the air in the tropical rainforest? 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04. The answer is 4. 0.04. Which of the following makes up most of the air? Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, helium. The answer is A. Nitrogen. Which of the following is true about nitric oxide? It is colorless. It has an irritating odor. It is not toxic. It is not harmful. The answer is A. It is colorless. The energy of sunlight is converted into heat by oxygen only, nitrogen only, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. The answer is D. Oxygen and nitrogen. Percentage of which of the following can be filled near the photocopier, television set, microwave oven, etc.? Chlorofluorocarbons, methane, ozone, lead compounds. The answer is C. Ozone. The extension of troposphere above the Earth's surface is 12 km, 50 km, 80 km, 70 km. The answer is A. 12 km. Height of mesosphere is 0.12 km, 12 to 50 km, 50 to 80 km, above 80 km. The answer is C. 50 to 80 km. What is the term used for the area in which the amount of ozone has been reduced? Black hole, wormhole, ozone hole, red hole. The answer is C. Ozone hole. A waste treatment produce in which solid waste is burned at high temperature is called combustion, incineration, oxidation, reduction. The answer is B. Incineration. Which of the following is the first layer of atmosphere as one moves upward from the Earth's surface? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. The answer is A. Troposphere. Which of the following is not true about ozone? It is light blue in color. It has unpleasant odor. It is harmful. It is not a pollutant. The answer is D. It is not a pollutant. Which of the following is the layer of atmosphere in which we live? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. The answer is A. Troposphere. Sulfuric acid eats away metals to form water soluble salt only, hydrogen only, oxygen, water soluble salts, and hydrogen. The answer is D. Water soluble salts and hydrogen. Acid rain may have pH as low as 1.1, 2.1, 3.1, 4.1. The answer is B. 2.1. The lecture is done here. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.